Bruh. Green.
Sam, no! Sam!
Come on, wait, he died!
Oh! Oh, watch out,
Over the edge! Come on!
Go!
Oh! He's dead! No way! He landed in the water!
George, we need your shield.
He's looking down.
Adrian.
Oh, here. I didn't have any iron.
Here, George, take this. Try and make some armor.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get extra dirt in case you need to build up and help Sap now.
Oh my gosh. My dream!
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh! What?
He's on the ground! He's on the ground!
He's literally on the ground!
Get him, guys! Get him!
Chase him! Chase him!
Point him out! Point him out!
Oh my God.
I see him.
The enemy on me again!
I'm losing my voice, but I don't care!
I don't have a shield! I don't have a shield!
Oh my!
That was legitness.
He's here!
Pick it up.
Oh my goodness! I got his water! Shoot him!
Nice.
Shoot him! Kill him!
He's gone, he's dead!
Oh!
What?
What? Oh my god!
Survive!
Wait, there's a cobblestone right there. He's right there!
Where?
I see him.
Oh, I see him! Go!
You almost pushed me in the lava. Stop.
Careful! Oh! Knock him off!
Wait, what?
Where'd he go?
What?
Did he jump in the
landed on
lava?
the thing.
What?
Wait, you die? You might die.
He's just going
He's
away!
gonna die. He's gonna die. Come on. Please die. Please die. He's
No
done.
way he lives.
He's done.
He's dead.
What is he doing?
Please. What?
You've gotta be kidding me.
I swear to God, if he gets
He's gonna die.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
He did not just do
How did he do that? Why?
So high up.
Come down here, you
He's
muffin
still
head.
going. Come on.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wait.
Where is he? Oh my goodness, I'm out
Play
of
this
blocks.
game,
I have to
James.
start mining some.
Oh no.
I got you, Dream!
Keep him occupied.
Oh, it doesn't pull me off.
Try and fish him.
I'm
Wait,
trying.
where is he?
He's up there.
Oh, I see him. He
Ooh,
jumped down.
He jumped. He jumped.
I'm chasing him.
No! What? Yes!
He's instantly 10 hearts.
Out of bed from the village. Come here.
Oh, nice.
Right click it.
Okay.
Now George, we can just continue attacking him. We'll just respawn.
Oh,
He's got
he just
iron.
got hardware. Take that.
Oh my
Sapnap.
Making
Dream.
tools.
Not really.
I'm gonna get dirt. Wait. Don't let him out. Okay, just keep an eye on him. Oh, Sapnap, can you break his tower?
Yeah,
I'm so
parts
high
of
up.
it.
Break it.
What are you doing, George?
Okay. You need block storage? I'm getting some dirt.
No.
Okay. Just keep an eye on him as long as. Oh!
Yes!
Yes!
Oh!
Wait! What? Are you kidding me?
How?
What happened?
Bruh.